Do you know the keyboard shortcut to close a window in Mac OS? If you are coming from Microsoft Windows, there was Alt F4. The equivalent keyboard option here in Mac is Command and W. So let me go to, okay, just keeping some tabs. Command W, Command W, Command W. So it will close each tab. And what if you have something unsaved? So it will prompt you for save or delete, right? For that also we have a keyboard shortcut. Let's say Command W to close the window, and it will prompt whether to save or close, right? I want to delete and close this. So for that, Command delete, Command W, Command delete. If you want to save it, save it. All right, so that's how you close a window in Mac using keyboard shortcut.